and welcome to my channel. It is Theme Series. And today is another one of my egg experiments. And this might be one of my longest experiments ever. It's going to take 3 days to see the result. And I've made more videos on science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. You can visit my playlist to see many more videos. And I also make some really fun ones. Okay, in today's experiment, you'll be needing 2 cups, 2 eggs, and vinegar. And that's it. Okay, so what we're going to do today is take these 2 eggs, put it into each glass. And now we're going to put some vinegar. That sounds a lot. Oh, did the egg just get bigger when you put the vinegar? And look, you can see some bubbles. Look, you can see some bubbles already. That's surprising. All we do is wait and wait and wait. So one of them we're going to check after 24 hours, which is also 1 day, and the other one after 72 hours, which is also 3 days. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tell you the science once we see the 3 days result. And they're fizzing more. They're fizzing. They just keep fizzing. Try it out. And look, the eggs just got bigger. Okay, so that's it for today. Or, really for today. Because I'm going to make my next video tomorrow. And the one day after tomorrow. The day after that. Because I have to wait for 3 days to see the final result. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Till tomorrow. Welcome to day 1 of the experiment. Okay, now I'm so excited. As you can see now, the egg is still bubbling. Look at that, the fizzing, all the foam. Can you believe it? Now look at the size. I got our normal egg right here. And then compare the size. Look how much bigger this one is. That's giant. Osmosis is going on right now. I explained that in my previous video. You can go down in the description and see the link below. Tap on it and you'll learn all about osmosis. Okay, now to learn more about this experiment, let's go to the sink and check it out. Onward to the sink! Okay, now we're at the sink. I'm going to check out the egg. Okay, so first, let's take the egg out of the cup. And you know what, I think I'm going to turn on the tap before I do that, because we're going to have to wash it. Pulling up my sleeves. Good. That's really, oh wow. Can you feel it? It's like a little bit less force. Whoa. It's so rubbery. I don't know what it is. Oh, why is this part so hard? I think this is why. It was sticking out of the thingamajiggy, the glass, and I didn't pour enough vinegar. And see, there's like little white stuff coming off. This part is so hard. Look, it's like a shaggy. Okay, so as you can see, there was actually no extra at all, just that top part. It's just because I didn't actually soak it all the way in vinegar. And all that is really hard to pick off. It's like so thin. So now all we do is wait till day 3. Hello friends, Welcome to day 3 of the egg vinegar experiment. So on day 3, there is less froth and bubbles compared to day 1. The size looks more or less same as the first day, but yeah, it's definitely bigger than the real one. Now let's go clean it and see it.
Okay, now we're at the sink. Now let's clean our eggshell. Now taking it out. And washing time. Let's keep this aside. Okay, what? Wow, the hard eggshell has just disappeared. Looks like a boiled egg. Ooh, look at that. Just rinse it a bit more. Turn it off. Okay, now let's see if this bounced. Okay, now. What? Impossible. It just bounced. It's actually rubbery.
I was really shocked to see the result. By just adding vinegar to the egg, it became rubbery and now it bounces. Now, let's talk about the science behind it. When you soak the eggshell in vinegar, which is about 4% acetic acid, it starts a chemical reaction that dissolves the calcium carbonate shell. The acetic acid reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell and releases carbon dioxide gas that you saw as bubbles on the eggshell. These are the bubbles of carbon dioxide from the reaction. It can take about 12 to 24 hours for a good portion of the eggshell is removed. A good sign process is a white frothy scumming layer and a ton of bubbles on the eggshell. Okay, so I'm guessing that's it for today. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you later. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye!